Walking through your yard, sometimes plants can be a little bit depressing. This is my pothos, growing up a tree. I don't mind that as a feature. However, as you can see, the damage by the caterpillars has been fairly extreme. But it'll grow through it. No need for me to worry. The plant's pretty tough. It's going to handle it. It's going to regrow. Nature's just part of gardening. There's no need to worry too much about it. Just let it do its thing. Let nature take care of it. Basically, enjoy gardening. Enjoy the seasons that we see. Enjoy, in my case, gum limbs, gum debris, free compost as the leaves fall down. Exploring your garden at different times of the year basically means that you learn more about it. I can watch my particular plants, watch them as they grow, watch the leaves develop, watch as what was put in as a little tiny seedling start to grow and take proportions and start giving my garden a bit of character. Now, gardens don't form all of a sudden. They take time. You could get a landscaper in to do the work for you, but I like to generate my garden by letting plants grow. From anything from the philodendrons to interesting scheffleras to policias, this one just here, to the alocasias in the backdrop. The textures change throughout the year. The colours change throughout the year. Different plants will showcase the foliage like the cordylines, and then I've got things that will flower. I'm waiting for my japaricaba to actually fruit. One day, hopefully, I'll get the fruit of it. And then you've got other plants that will showcase their colours, their flowers, their forms at different times of the year. Be patient when it comes to gardening. The plants will grow at their own rate. We just need to watch, observe, encourage them to grow with fertilizer, with water, with whatever you need to do for them. But just remember, fertilizer will help them. It isn't the thing that will fix every problem that they have. Please check your pH. Please check the suitability of the plants to your soil, to your situation, for your rainfall. There are so many variables that we as gardeners have to embrace. Now, getting some advice from a local professional will definitely assist. It might save you a lot of money in the long term by them selecting the right plants for the climate, for your soil, for your site. So the advice a horticulturist, a qualified horticulturist can give you will save you in the long term, and you can create that perfect garden, that perfect design that you are after. And there are different types of professionals in the industry. You need to know which ones you're after. Are you after a landscape architect, a designer? Are you after just a horticulturist who can give you some horticultural advice to select the right plant for the situation? I grow an eclectic range of plants. In winter, some of them look absolutely terrible, but I know what they're going to achieve eventually. So I'm quite happy to just let them do their job as time progresses. Because I like walking through my yard. I like seeing what happens. I like seeing some plants fail. Sounds terrible. But I get to learn through that as an experience as to what's working and what's not. So gardeners, take your time. Be patient. Observe, learn, enjoy the garden as it grows. If you need to, employ some professionals to help you with your plant selections and the choices whenever you have problems so that they can give you some advice and some solutions. But relax. Enjoy nature and let nature come in through bird life, through the pollinators, through whatever critters that you may possibly have on your property, because it is your yard. Explore the garden. Enjoy the garden. And hopefully, you'll share your garden experience with others, for your friends, for your family to come and share the passion that you have. That's my garden tip for today, and hopefully it will inspire you to share your garden knowledge and your garden woes and successes with other people. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.